Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the voicemail app or dialing your carrier code. This gives direct access to settings. Once connected, choose the option to record greetings. You should use a quiet room so audio is clean. Make sure you have a short script ready that states your name, availability, and callback instructions because it speeds the process. If prompted, select whether greeting is for all calls or specific contacts. This first step sets the foundation for a professional-sounding message. Now you record your custom greeting. Press record, speak clearly, and keep sentences brief so callers know what to do next. You want a natural pace and friendly tone. Once done, playback immediately to check volume, pronunciation, and background noise. If any issue exists, re-record until it sounds right. Then assign the greeting to the right profile, personal or business, because targeted messages reduce confusion. Finally, save the recording and confirm the system shows it as active before exiting the menu. Finish by testing the voicemail from a different phone to ensure the greeting plays and instructions are clear. This verifies network and device settings simultaneously. If you hear noise or low volume, re-record using a closer microphone and softer background or adjust mic settings. Make sure to save again. Once saved, exit and wait a few minutes, then call back. If the custom greeting fails to appear, reset to default and try re-recording. This reset is a quick troubleshooting tip that resolves most save.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.